popping with y'all YouTube trade day recap, man. I love trade days, man. I love trade day every single day besides Wednesday. Today was a weird day. It is NFP week, so you got to be on your toes, man. I'm gonna get into all that shit too. But before I even say anything, now that I'm doing supply and demand, right? You will never, ever catch me trading counter trend. Counter trend's very risky. I know people that do it. They're pretty good at it. Hey, more power to you, but I will never do it because you're saying, hey, this is the bottom, or hey, this is the top, and fuck all that. But I will say, today you could have traded sells and buys today. So, and today is going to be like a trader psychology, and it's going to be like a market intuition. You have to understand what candlesticks are doing and what wicks are doing. But I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you why I got out, everything, man. Everything's lined up, man. But just know today was just a bearish market, but then like, bro, it flipped. And you're gonna see, man, supply and demand is everywhere, and it's so powerful, even in a strong trend. Like, it just counter trend the other way. We're gonna get into it. So, all right. So I woke up 4:30, got on the charts, and I'm not gonna show all the pairs. I'm just gonna show the pairs that I traded. But I zoomed out, and on the 5, we've been making I can't fucking talk. I just woke up again. Bearish momentum. We've been in the bear market. You know, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We just making fucking bearish structure. On the 15, bearish structure. On the 1 hour, bearish structure. 200 above. On the 4 hour, bearish structure. Bearish structure, breaking lows, filling in these gaps. Like, we're just breaking structure. So I was looking for sales in my kill zone, right? Cool. I'm looking for sales. So I have a 2 fair value gap limit. Even though 3 was formed, I have 2 fair value gap limit. If there's a third one that forms, I'm not taking it. I wait till it hits my second or my first one. So when I came to the charts, I saw this fair value gap right here. Again, I'm gonna explain gaps on Saturday when I make a whole full trade breakdown. So just chill. This is the first gap, almost got tagged in. And then you had this gap right here, right? And I waited till news. I don't trade like if it's 8. It was 8:15 and 8:30 news. So I'm waiting. Like, shit can go anywhere. So I waited. Right here, we did really good. A pullback to our supply zone. So I waited, and then 9:30. What happens at 9:30? New York opens up. Hella momentum flooded the market. So mind you, we're in a downtrend, so I'm only looking for sales. No buys at all. Fuck that. I'm looking for no fucking buys. I marked up my supply zone right here. Now, the second, if there's a gap above or below, like a second supply zone, it's very risky. Very, very, very risky. Now, they do respect those zones. Don't get it twisted. But it's very risky because there's still gaps above this supply zone. So I waited for the break of the candle. Normally, I enter aggressive. As soon as it hits the zone, I just get in, which I should have did. Would have had a better RR, but I'm gonna talk about that in a second. So just to make sure and to be safe that it doesn't just blast through this supply zone, I got in at the break of the candle. So I got in like right here, stops above this, which break of the candle means with this bearish candle, as soon as it crosses this wick to depth, so excuse me, As soon as it crosses this wick to the downside, I'm in the trade. I'm in the fucking trade. It's more of like hey, it rejected, and the next candle had the momentum to the downside. Cool. So I got in. It looked just like this. Cool. Right. Now, normally I go for a 1-to-1. Normally. 10 out of 10 I go for a 1-to-1. But I closed a little bit early. Like, it was like a 9.8. I don't care, bro. It's 98% of the fucking profit, bro. And it's NFP week. And I'm going to show you exactly why I closed. And I didn't want to hold. I wanted to hold all the way down to here. But this is when I say market intuition and understanding candlestick patterns, bro. And what's going on the charts will save you. I waited 3 hours or 2.5 hours, bro. I was not finna fucking go break even. I was gonna leave with something. And if it's 0.98, whatever. I don't care. It's almost a 1-to-1. I don't fucking care, bro. It's NFP week. I don't know why I'm gonna trade today. Anyways, NFP week. Anyway, those of you guys are like, oh, that's a negative RR. Okay. That's cool. This dude right here. It's Dombo. I follow him religiously, bro. He has negative RR. He's a negative RR trader. He barely has 1-to-1s. This man made $1 million last year. So sometimes it's not always about RR, bro. It's about taking what the market gives you, which is what he preaches. Take what the market gives you. He'll have like a 0.885, bro, like a 30 pip stop loss and a 10 pip take profit. But he made $1 million. It's all about capital and taking what the fucking market gives you. Sometimes the market don't want to give you a 1-to-1. And I waited 2 hours, bro, and I'm not about to go fucking break even. 2.5 hours. So I took a 0.97, 0.98. Don't care, bro. It's NFP week again. And what I'm gonna show you guys. Cool. So what happened? We have this huge sell-off. I'm like, cool. I'm looking for sales. Then 9:30 opened. The 9:30 candle opened. And what did it fucking make? What did this candle make? Well, this candle made a demand zone. It made a fucking demand zone. I'm already in the trade. So I'm already in the trade. And I'm watching it just go down and up and down and up. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I'm like, bro, we're in a bearish momentum. We're hitting off this supply zone. What the fuck is going on? Why is it not hitting TP? There's a fucking demand zone right here. And what happened? What happened? That's why I said you could have took a buy and a sell today. But again, on trade with the trend. But what happened? Hits this demand zone. Respects it, shoots off. Just said, fuck this whole downtrend that happened for like 6-7 hours. Just completely fucked it, bro. And just shot through everything. So once I saw all this, I think I got out like right here on this counter right here. I saw all these wicks just wicking. I'm like, all right, dude, it's time to get out. And it's NFP. So I got out with a 0.98, 97, whatever. I'll fucking take it, bro. Live to see another day. But yeah, that's all I got today, man. Quick little trade recap. Okay, hold on, I don't do that shit. Give me a second. Little trade recap. Little NAS100 trade, you know what I mean? Some slight. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, that was today. So yeah, that's all we got. Again, I'm only gonna trade with the trend, but my market intuition saw that demand zone. I'm like, oh, okay, it's time to fucking get out. Or I just waited 2.5 hours for fucking nothing. So, yep, that's it. That's all I got for this video. I trade tomorrow. NFP again tomorrow. Yep. Got a lot of shit coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be tricky, but I made it for the long haul, boys. I made it for the long haul. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Be easy.